Hello, I am Anna Eli, the project leader of the Universo Astronomy for Resilience, which was funded during 2025 by the OAD. Our project was focused on children and teenagers living in a public social care institution in Puebla, Mexico. These children are in a different range of vulnerable situations impacting their education and mental health. So our solution was to carefully develop a series of in-person activities based in astronomy to provide or strengthen a diverse set of skills. First of all, we selected a group of 30 from 45 children and 30 from 61 teenagers using a three-part diagnostic tool with following criteria. 1. Levels or symptoms of depression, anxiety, or stress using a modified DAS-21 scale. We exclude the ones with severe and extremely severe levels of any of these. 2. Self-perception and life situation involving their health, life satisfaction, relations, social and emotional skills, and intelligence perception. 3. Skills like creativity, ingenuity, and knowledge, and also previous experiences in astronomy-related activities. Then we had 9 in-person workshops with different themes and activities. As an example, in session 3, when we covered the constellation, the participants drew and wrote a story for their own constellations. Due to time constraints, I only present some results. Besides the diagnostic tool applied in March and November, we used different types of surveys and did some interviews in August and November. In order to compare, these results are for 14 children and 10 teenagers who were at the final evaluation. The numbers changed mainly because the participants left the institution. The majority of the participants had the same levels of depression, anxiety, and stress, but for some, they improved or worsened. This can be a reflection of their life situation more than the impact of the activities. We also want to note that we did not control the first test that was applied by the institution staff, so these results may be biased. To try to have a better follow-up of the emotional impact the activities had on them, in most of the sessions we applied a short survey which included the question, "How do you feel?" Not in all sessions we applied the pre-post survey. Most of the participants felt happy at the beginning and the end of the session. These numbers are also influenced by the reducing numbers of participants in each session. For measuring their creativity and astronomy knowledge, they had to draw or write what they thought was this pattern. The lion answer only appeared on the after evaluation applied in November, which also provided us a measure of their learning from the May session about constellations. Here are some quotes from the interviews just to highlight how the project provided not only astronomical knowledge, but also inspiration for continuous learning and social skills like working in teams. Some of the challenges we faced were bureaucracy and institutional internal changes of personnel, affecting the attendance of the teenagers group for 2 of the sessions and the carryout of the closing event. Activities and learning objectives. The activities were more remembered for the activity itself than the astronomical knowledge. These both were rather due to the team involvement and commitment. Except for the psychologist, the other team members fell short in their expertise task beyond providing support during the workshop. Our team was composed of an astronomer, psychologist, public policy consultant, and educator. The third party was an active member providing support in 4 sessions. We also had 4 substitutes who helped during the workshop sessions when a member of the team was not able to go. Our partner was the DIF Estatal Puebla, the state organism providing assistance to vulnerable groups, in particular children and teenagers, through Casa de la Niñez Poblana y Casa del Adolescente. The project was possible thanks to the funding provided by the EIU through the OAD in their 2024 call. So what's next? The project was planned to end by the end of this funding. We are still analyzing the data collected by it, and we wish to publish the results from them. Also, we hope to inspire other institutions, either social care ones or research and educational ones, to replicate the idea. So for either, please feel free to contact me at dc.anaelypb@gmail.com. Thank you for your attention.